right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it up to about right here. I'm going to cut this in quarters. And we're only going to come down to about right here. Okay? So you're going to cut it. There we go. Cut this. This is it's another lily. Okay, that's about as far as I want to go. Now your outside leaves, you're going to jazz up. So I'm just going to bring them to a point. See, that's why I didn't cut it. It really didn't matter. So that was one leaf. I got another one on this side. Where'd you go? Bring that to a point. So we're just going to take this off. Bring this one to a point. All right, once you've got these started, and sometimes if you put elastic band here to do this, it helps with elastic band, because when you start folding these over, you're going to bring this guy right on over like this and bring him back like that. And then you're going to fold this one so it go below that one. You just got to do it nice and easy. And then this one's going to fold. And this one's going to fold. So you're probably going to need to get about 4. The challenge is keeping this from splitting too much down here, because then nothing's going to hold it in place. Whoop, come on. I say these leeks are not the best leeks to work with. They're pretty old. Trying to keep it from, there you go. So I got this on this side. You want to look? Now we're going to repeat it over here. Soaking them in the water before we did this is actually going to make them a little bit more pliable and easier to work with. So I'm glad we did. Okay. I can just trim the bottom off. I want a bigger skewer, but we'll put a skewer underneath it. Okay, and you just cut this off the top. Please don't unfold. We'll hold it right here and just cut away. And you have your ribbon lily. Pretty neat little lily, huh?